Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW X3 and you're trying to find where your coolant temperature sensor is located and how to replace it, stay with us and we will explain that today, guys. Now, very important video, guys, and you have to make sure you stand till the end, so we'll guys share how not to mess up your engine after you replace the sensor. While we're making this video, many of you asked us to do that in the comment section below, guys, and that's why we're doing it. Another thing, guys, before we start, if you need to buy new sensor, BMW approved coolant, any parts too, we'll share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, guys. Before we start, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. Specifically on BMWs, we make even more, guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please hit that subscribe button, like the video. That way, guys, we can keep providing that free information. Now, let me show you what we have here, guys. This is a N52 6-cylinder gasoline engine. Even if you have a different 4-cylinder gasoline engine in Europe or diesel, guys, the location could be very similar, and we'll explain how to find it. Now, you need to be looking for your coolant outlet line right here, oil filter housing usually. You will have two sensors. This is the oil pressure sensor, but as you can see, this sensor right here, this is on the cylinder head, guys. So that's the sensor that we need. But how you guys replace it? The correct way is to drain the cooling system. Now, we can do it without draining it, but you have to make sure the engine is cold, and I would recommend, if you don't know that, don't drive the car for 24 hours, guys, so it's cool, or overnight. Don't drive it, and after that, slowly open the radiator cap, guys. Now, we're demonstrating on 3 Series, but it's exactly the same on the X3, guys, because they use the same engines, especially in the US. So, we open it, guys, pressure is released, and pull it out. So, one thing, guys, that we need to do, make sure you stand till the end, because we'll share very important information that can save your engine and you don't mess up your engine. Press in that metal clip and release it, guys, so that way you can disconnect the wire. Next, we need to get a 22 millimeter, okay, 22 millimeter, guys, and we need to go ahead, okay, and get that sensor loose. Okay, perfect. Now, with that being said, guys, you can see the sensor is coming out. Now, before we pull it out, get rubber gloves and poke the hole with your finger, guys. That's why the engine needs to be cold too, so you don't burn yourself. Otherwise, there will be enormous amount of pressure and you can severely burn yourself too, guys. So this is, guys, the sensor. Okay, right here you can see this is your coolant temperature sensor, guys. Now, when you guys get that thing tight, you have to be extremely careful, because this is a hollow element and you can snap it into, and half of it will be stuck in the cylinder head, which is a terrible thing, guys. We've done that. So I'll try to find the torque specs and share them for your convenience, guys. That way you can get a torque wrench and make sure that you get it correctly. Now, if you need to buy a new one, we have the link in the description of the video below. So once you're ready, guys, okay, get the replacement sensor, okay, move the finger out of the hole, okay, and quickly, guys, get it tight. Okay, first I started by hand, and then we're going to get it tight, okay, with the tool now. So you can see, okay, perfect. Now we're going to install the wire. So 2 more things that you need to do, guys. You need to check the coolant level, okay, make sure that you didn't leak too much. Okay, you can see the floaty thing on some X3s, the reservoir will be here, but check it out, guys. Now check the coolant level, and second, you will need to bleed your cooling system the correct way. If you do not know how to do that, we have a video that explains how to bleed the cooling system on BMW X3, so please check it out, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.